Let's go! Ayan ho, ang ganda ng flower. So,
don't drive. So, designate your driver. We're here, it's so beautiful. The weather is wonderful, beautiful, like beautiful British Columbia. Ayan. So, lahat ng aming subscribers, salamat. Thank you so much. We're here in Kelowna Adventure with the family. So, yeah. Thank you, Martin.
Oh, ayan. Nagtitiirab na ho siya. Nagbe-burp na ho sa sobrang kalasingan sa cherry. Kaso nga ho, hindi na ho natin alam kung saan po ang konti tayo sa baba. Ayan, baba na po tayo. Ayan, ito po ang bayabas. Maliliit pa po yung bayabas nila. Pero pag lumaki ito po ang bayabas dito. Ayan. Hindi pa po pwede. Ayan, hindi na namin alam kung saan kami daraan. Ayan. Naligaw na kami sa Katakawan. Ayan. Hindi, doon ang daan.
Dito tayo dinaan sa ganito, in between, di ba?
Hindi. Sa baba.
Sige, di magkababa.
Wala na rito eh. Wala, naligaw na po kami. Papunta na po tayo sa baba. Hindi na ho natin mahintay yung service kasi mukhang tayo na lang ang nandito. Ayan. Talagang nagbabad sa cherry. At meron ako natagpuan na bakit. Ayan. $51 so ito. Ito.
No, we
Video.
have a discount of $1.
Yeah, $50. Ayan. Dami, press. Comment. Come on, guys. Yeah. Keep on moving. Here. You'll taste this. So good. God bless. Okay na. Guys, we're here at the Stephen Farm. We're picking some cherries, but this is the yellow one, but not the red one. Yesterday is the red one we pick, and now it's the yellow one, yellow cherries. So ayan, usually here it's like organic, and this is it. Ito po ng cherry. So come to this farm next summer season. The cherries are so sweet, press from the tree. So, and we're enjoying the cherry picking. So here we go, guys. Ayan si Mrs. Nag-enjoy na mag-pick. Yeah. And the good thing here is you can eat. Sweet. So very sweet. All over the place. And so fresh. Get some. Come down here. Look at that. See, look. Look, guys. This is cherry. Oh, yeah. So sweet. Ang dami. Malikabok dyan. Oh yeah. Look at that. It's the ground. Look at that. Okay. Yeah. Come here at the Stephen Farm. They are so friendly, and the price is affordable here, guys. The experience is really worth it is worth it, guys. Bring all your families here and friends. So come on, you'll see the sweetest cherries on earth. And look at that. Yeah, look at that. We'll taste it. Sweet. Tastes like honey. Guys, it is tastes like honey, guys. Come and visit the Stephen Farm. The price is affordable. If you have a family plan to drive here in Okanagan, oh man, it is worth it, man. It is worth it, guys. Come and join us here. I wish I could share with you the experience, the taste. Oh, it's really incredible. It tastes really like a honey. Man, here we go. Here we go. Oh, here. See? It's like that. Look at that. Look at that. See? Look. Yeah. And then the good thing is you can eat whatever you want. Me, I think I'm done. The sweetness, oh, so good. So fantastic. So fantastic, guys. Ayan. 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 I'll vlog this, so man, look at that. They really care about their cherries here. The Stephen Farm, they really care here. Oh, look at this. Wow, it's an export product for me. See, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. So look at that. This is near from the highway here in Okanagan. So here, see, here. I'll show you. I'll show you how sweet it is. Oh, it's so sweet. Wow. As long as when you start eating, you never stop. So you never stop eating. So keep it simple with Tito Arnold's vlog. With Tito Arnold's vlog. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for all your support, guys. Come and visit the Stephen Farm. The staff here are friendly and so accommodating. The price is affordable, guys. Look at that. The freshness, you cannot beat that. So here we go. Let's come here and visit them here at the farm. There's a lot of varieties of fruits here. So come and visit here in Okanagan. And thank you for all your support. Please keep safe, keep healthy, and keep on moving. Because moving is power. Power that you can reach any destination you want. Like here in Stephen Farm. Guys, come on, visit this farm. This is it. This is the Class A amazing fruit, cherries. God bless.
Best.
Hindi ako ang nagbibideo, ikaw. Kaya alam mo kung nasa photo. The best is
Wow.
on the top. Nasa top. Kaya pala mayroong fan dito. Ako okay na to. Hindi na ako pupunta sa... Dito na tayo. So, sila, oh, guys. Ito. Ito. Oh, shout out sa iyo dyan, mother. This is what you miss. Ayan. Mami, kung lumabas ka sana at dito lang tayo, di nakapag-pick ka, mother. So, andito lang, maabot mo lang, Mother Linda. Oh, ayan. Next time you have to go out. Not only you're moving, cooking, but go out. Keep on go outing. Ayan. And maybe all the kids will come too. So here we travel safe, keep healthy, and always keep on moving. Because if you move, you have power. You have power to do things, different things, and maybe inspired people. So shout out and God bless to all. Guys, we came back to Stephen Farm, and we really enjoy picking some yellow cherries, and my wife is so happy. Are you happy?
I am so happy.
Okay, you heard her that she's happy. So, ayan po ang cherry for our friends. Ayan, pamimigay po ni Mrs. yan sa aming closest friends. So ayan, and other friends and friends. So the family. So they will enjoy that. And shout out to Michelle. Michelle, here's the yellow cherry. And grandma. So ayan. And to all the family out there. So I hope you enjoy the yellow cherries here at the Stephen Farm. Thank you. Yes. Keep safe, keep healthy, and keep on moving. Because if you move, you have power. Power to pick some cherries, guys. Come on. Okay, God bless.